This is problem 18, and I believe the last problem of homework worksheet H1-5. The directions state, write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that is perpendicular to the given line and passes through the given point. So this is our given line, and this is our given point there. Our line has got to be perpendicular to this line, to the given line. So remember, with perpendicular slopes, right? Two things that are perpendicular, if I had a line that was going this direction and I had a line that was perpendicular to it, it has to come down kind of in the opposite direction so that they form a right angle. Two lines that are perpendicular have slopes that are what we sometimes refer to as negative or opposite reciprocals. Or their product will always be -1. Okay, so for instance there with this one, our slope is 4/3, right? So if I have 4/3 here, and I was multiplying it times my missing perpendicular slope, I'll call that P, right? It has to equal -1. Well, to get rid of 4/3, I would just multiply this by its reciprocal, right? I multiply it by 3/4, multiply this side of the equation by 3/4. Oops, I should have done that in red. Let's do that so it stays color-coded. And, right, 3 and 3 cancel out, 4 and 4 cancel out, leaving us with P. 3/4 times -1 would be -3/4. So if you think about it, we took this original fraction, we flipped it, and then since it was positive, we made it negative. This is the slope of our new line. So we're going to take this here, and we're going to use it and this given point, and we'll do it just like we did in the last problem there. We'll set up our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. We'll take this here and we will substitute in our slope for m, -3/4. We'll plug in the x value, 2 for x, and then we'll plug in our y value, 5 for y. And now we'll just take it and solve it. So 2 times -3/4 is -6/4 plus b is equal to 5. And if you get hung up here because you don't really like fractions and things there, you could turn it into a decimal if you need to, or you could multiply everything times 4, use the skills that we've already reviewed. Right, if I multiply everything here by 4, everything by 4, I've got 20 is equal to -6 plus 4b. Add 6 to each side, 26 is equal to 4b. Divide by 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times, and with 2 left over, so we get b is equal to 6.5, or you could reduce that to 13/2 if you wanted to practice leaving it as an improper fraction. The equation of our line then would be y is equal to -3/4 x plus 13/2, or 6.5 if you want to do it that way. That is the answer for number 18. If you have questions, please reach out there. I'm happy to help however I can. Good job. You are done with this assignment. Thanks for watching.